In May of this year, we purchased a brand new fifth wheel to replace our travel trailer. Up until now, we haven't even used it ourselves, but we have lots of experience setting it up and taking it down. Hooking it up to the truck and pulling it in and out of campgrounds. And lots of practice backing it up. All because we have been renting it out all summer. But that is all about to change. In preparation for going full-time, we decided to take it on a camping trip over a long weekend. We packed it up with items we thought we would need for a short trip. Clothing, food, and of course, the essentials. We got the RV closed up, hitched to the truck, and we pulled out, officially on our first trip. It was a fairly short drive to the campground. We chose a KOA in Woodstock, New Hampshire. We reserved a nice, easy pull-through site. The sites are close together, but easy to get into. We unhitched. Got the RV leveled, and got to work setting up. Patio rug out, water and sewer connected, slides out. After setting up, we gave thanks to God and enjoyed a spaghetti dinner that Christy made. Dinner conversation was wonderful. We closed out the night with a nice campfire on our patio, where we had more great conversation.
Yeah, that's why we're gonna eat.
Good morning. It's our second day here. Our first night went very well, and we just had a great evening. The camper was very comfortable. The beds were very nice. It's a beautiful morning here in Woodstock, New Hampshire. Today we're just gonna hang out at the campground and see what kind of events there are for kids. They do a lot of different kids things. There's a barrel train, so we're gonna put the kids on that, let them ride around the campground. I think that's later on tonight. There's also a fire truck that they drive around the campground that the kids can ride on, so we're gonna do that. Unfortunately, the swimming pool is closed for the season. I believe it closed last week. So we're in September. This is the weekend after Labor Day weekend. And I believe they closed the pool right after Labor Day weekend. So we just missed having the pool. So unfortunately we don't get that. But there's a very nice playground that the kids can play on. And there's some jump pads. They were down or turned off yesterday. So we're gonna see if they're working today, so that the kids can jump around on those things. There's horseshoes we could maybe check out. There's mini golf we're gonna do. There's a lot of different things that we can check out just right here at the campground. And then tomorrow we'll spend some time in Lincoln and Woodstock and checking out that area. So today is a campground day. Well, I see the first pitfall of renting our RV. People that clean this griddle don't know how to take care of cast iron. It's completely rusted out. So that's going to be fun trying to clean that up. Luckily, cast iron is pretty forgivable, so I can be able to clean it up, get the rust off, get it seasoned up properly. Boy, people. How's that chocolatey chippity pancake?
Homemade syrup.
We even have our own homemade Fairview Farmstead syrup. Vanilla flavored syrup that I made last year.
You want down? Oh, here we go. Trying the chocolate chip.
There you go.
Boom. Oh, nice shot, Daddy. Oh, oh,
Oh, so close.
Okay. Give it a good hit. Yeah.
KOA holiday in
Woodstock, New Hampshire.
Woodstock, Lincoln, New Hampshire. It's called the Woodstock Lincoln KOA. Is pretty nice campground.
Very nice campground.
We've got
playground, jump pad for the kids, pool during the normal season. Unfortunately, we missed it now. The Labor Day weekend, they killed it.
Yeah, unfortunately, pool. I don't know if it's closed because it's, I guess, towards the end of the season, or if they're doing maintenance on it, because there's like some tools and stuff around there.
Yeah, they are doing maintenance. So.
But it's definitely closed. It's not too busy here.
No.
In fact, there's a lot of open sites right now.
I know, a ton of open sites.
And so this is the weekend after Labor Day weekend. So I guess it's just not so busy. But this is a Saturday. So the campground has quite a lot of amenities for the kids.
They have a lot of spots. You can have a big monster rig or a tent, or you can glamp in their tent. They have a special glamping tent. They also have cabins that are really nicely done up.
Yeah, the cabins look pretty nice. I think they have a couple different style of cabins. They have some deluxe cabins and some regular cabins. They look really nice. They all have barbecues, fire pits,
picnic tables, lots of places. You can even rent their pavilion, and that has a grill and picnic tables, so you can have a party here. There's so many opportunities for you to have. They love kids. They have the mini golf. They have bikes with helmets you can rent for half an hour for $7. You can go around the park. And then you have the bucket rides that Reagan just went on. And then
yeah, the barrel train. The barrel train that they do on Saturdays. And I think they have 10 cars. They take the kids around the whole campground a couple times. Reagan got to ride in it. She had a lot of fun.
Oh, there's a game room, but it's really for kids. They have a lot of fun toys. There's a horse to ride. All of it costs money. A little ice cream truck thing Ben loves to go use the steering wheel for. But there's a couch area so parents can come and just kind of hang out and watch the kids play. I love that fact. It's connected to their laundry room. Also on the outside you can get in as well. Yeah,
so laundry room, they had quite a few washers and dryers. Nobody was using it at the time that we were in there, but it looks like it's a pretty nice facility. They have a couple of bathhouses. They have both bathrooms and showers. And I mean, everything looked pretty clean when I went in and took a look at it. So all in all, it's pretty nice. They have specific tenting areas for tents only. A couple of different areas actually for tents. And then they have some back-end sites and some pull-through sites. We're in a pull-through site. We're in like a deluxe site, I think. We have a patio that has a little, instead of a picnic table, it's just got a little patio table and chairs and like a brick patio area. So that's, kind of nice. Some sites have actually swings, like a
wood swing,
wooden
Adirondack kind of swing.
Yeah, I guess, I don't know what you would call them, like a porch swing kind of a thing. We don't have that. We didn't get that luxury, but a lot of the sites do.
It's all good. But
it's, I mean, all in all, this is a pretty nice campground. I would definitely recommend it. We're in the heart of, what are we in the heart of? Well, we're in Lincoln, and there's a lot to do in Lincoln. There's the Kankamagas Highway.
We're in the White Mountains.
This road goes up and over the White Mountains. Mount Washington is nearby. There's a lot of areas to visit. There's the Flume is real close.
Yes.
And so tomorrow we're gonna go check out Clark's
Trading Post. Clark's
Bears. I guess they have bears there. I don't know. We're gonna go check that out, see what that's all about. Hopefully this guy here will not be such a grouch. And
he needs to get a good night's sleep in.
This is now the second week of September.
Oh.
So the colors are starting to change on the trees. So we're seeing some color change. It's not full on. I think in this area, the peak fall season is about mid-October. I think the 10th through the 20th is peak season in our area. But the colors are definitely starting to change right now. Thank you for watching our video on our very first trip in our new RV. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to follow along with us on all of our upcoming adventures, hit the subscribe button. You can also hit the notification bell, and you will be notified every time we post a new video.
Next week, we continue our camping trip and go to Clark's Trading Post, where we watch a live bear performance. We will see you on our next adventure.